So if I look at our notes from last week on elimination, recall, you have these in your folder somewhere in your binder. Step 1 says, watch this, multiply if necessary, one or both, sometimes both equations by a number, so that at least one pair of like terms has the same or opposite coefficients. So look at this example here. There is no opposite coefficients. When I look at the x's, 3 and negative 2 are not opposite. 4 and 5 for y are not opposite. And negative 1 and 10, there's no variable there. So what I got to do is I got to multiply the first equation by a number, the second equation by a number. This way we have opposite coefficients. So I'm going to do both equations this time. Now, what variable do you want to get rid of, the x or the y? It doesn't matter. Whatever floats your boat. Which one do you think is a little more easier to work with, the x's or the y's to eliminate? Either one. I'll go x as is mentioned first. So watch this. Look at what I'm going to do. 3 and a negative 2, what number do they both go into? What's the number that 3 and 2 will both go into? Not one into them. What? 6. So watch what I'm going to do. If I multiply the first equation by 2 and the second equation by 3, think about it. If I multiply the first equation by 2, I'll end up having a 6x. If I multiply the second equation by 3, I'll have a negative 6x, and there's your opposite coefficients. So stay with me. I'll multiply the first equation by a positive 2 everywhere. Watch what happens. Again, phones away, earphones off. 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 4y is 8y. 2 times negative 1, negative 2. Cool. The second equation, I'm multiplying everything by 3. Look at. Well, I'm trying to get opposite coefficients for the x. I'll have, look at, 2 times 3x becomes a 6x, and a 3 times negative 2 will become a negative 6x. So I'll have opposite coefficients that will be eliminated when I add them. The whole point is elimination. Elimination is the name of the game. So look at 3 times negative 2 is a negative 6x. Check that out, Huerta. Look at opposite coefficients now. That's what I want. That's what I'm after. In other words, I'm doing step 1. You have this handout I gave you a few days ago. I'm just doing step 1 right now. I'm multiplying both equations by a number to get opposite coefficients. Let's keep distributing now. 3 times a negative 5y is a negative 15y if my coffee is kicked in. And then I got 3 times 10 is a 30 if my coffee is kicked in. Look at step 2 now. Look at step 2. Add or subtract the equations to eliminate one of the variables. Fine, I'll do that. I'm adding these puppies just like we did in warm-up. Watch what happens. You with me, Juarez?
Yes, sir.
No phones? 6x plus negative 6x is gone. It's eliminated. That's why this process is called elimination. Right, Cepeda?
Yes, sir.
And they got an 8y plus a negative 15y. The signs are the difference, so I'm going to subtract, take the sign of the bigger number. Sounds good to me. Negative 7y. Equals. Negative 2 plus a 30, I want to say is a positive 28. Rocking and rolling. Let's get y by itself now. Gracias. Whatever I do to one side, I got to do the other. Y equals negative 4. Gracias. Tell them what we're going to do, Morales. How are we going to find the x? Tell them. Right, we substituted it in any of the original equations. Yeah, we're taking notes. We're taking notes. Any of them. For x, yeah. What's that called? It's called substitute. Gracias. So, I never said you were, man. What's the matter with you? So, Dorado, first or second equation, which one should we do? Got it. So, Siri disagreed with you. She wants to do the second one. All right. Replace y with -4. 3x plus 4 times -4 equals -1. It's the first equation of our notes, so you can catch up if you wish. Nice. One more time? Give it to me anyway. Well, let's pause the 3x. Right, let's do this. Positive times a negative. But we're multiplying, huh? So what does that become? Gracias. One more time. Add what to both sides? Help. 16. Gracias. I got 3x equaling, gracias. Divide by 3, rocking and rolling, right?
Wow.
There's your solution. Remember, the solution's always an ordered pair. Always. I have. Well, yeah, it is. It is if you don't finish in class, get it in by the due date. There's homework. I believe you, Morales. Any questions? Example 5. One more and we're done. One more time. Questions? Going once, twice. Last example, example 6. Here we go. Let's solve by substitution again. Shh. All right. Shh. Negative 5x plus 12y equals 8. 2x minus 8y is 0. This is child abuse, huh? So, yeah. Hit it. But nice and neat so my audience. So the first equation he's multiplying by 2, so he can get a negative set, a negative 10x. I got you. Equals what? Wait, yeah, and then equals what?
Yeah, equals this.
Tell you what. Let's do it right here so we have room so the video comes out beautiful. In other words, put it right here. I got you. Coming on the video.
Okay, my bad.
Hold up. 24y. Go. Second one now. So the first equation he multiplied by 2. Go ahead and do that. Second equation, he's multiplying Huerta. He's multiplying by 5. Nice. Stop there, stop there. Hold up, stop there. Yeah. Good teaching. That's how you do it. Everything by 5. So now he has opposite coefficients with the x. And now he's going to add both equations. Write this down with him. We're going to add both equations. Go for it, Dorado. That is a 10. Because look at 5 times 2 is 10, yeah?
No, the one next to it.
That's a 40.
That's a 40.
5 times negative 8 is negative 40.
Yeah, I was just saying, you know.
I got you, I got you. Look at, there's your elimination. He's adding them now. Adding them. You got it ready? Rocking it. Help. Help the man, help the man. What's 24? Negative 26, huh? No, negative 16, huh?
Yeah, it's negative 16.
So go to put negative 16y equals rocking it. Okay, hold up real quick. Well, let me bring it up. You're the man, you're the man. Keep going. You're doing awesome, man.
I'm teaching the class at the same time.
Seriously.
And then you divide negative
Go.
16.
Divide both sides by what? Hit it.
Hey, why'd you erase my negative?
Oh, the negative?
Oh, and that's the thread.
He's all instigating. Go ahead. Divide both sides by both negative 16, huh? Negative 16 on both sides. Nice. Keep going.
What's this? Hey, I need some people over here to participate.
Dorado's killing it, man.
Y equals negative 1.
All right. We know where our y is. So look at, we know our y is negative 1. Now, Dorado, take us to solving for x. I'll bring it back up here. I'll put it right here on the side. Let's put it in Dodger blue since they're going to win the World Series.
You wish.
Go. Go.
What's that? What? All right, which one do you guys want me to do?
That one right there. The second one.
Go. Dodger blue, baby. Mark my words. Go, keep going, keep going. So 2x, negative 8 times negative 1 is positive 8. So I got 2x plus an 8 plus 8 equals 0. Sorry about that. He's subtracting 8 from both sides to get rid of the 8, rocking it. So 2x equals negative 8, beautiful. Now he's dividing by 2 on both sides, rocking it. X is negative.
What the heck was it? I don't know how that got there, but yeah.
Watch this. Put negative 4.
Wow.
And then put on the ordered pair. Box that puppy. There's an ordered pair. Look at the ordered pair. Is negative 4, negative 1. Dorado got a free assignment pass.
Yeah, man, we helped them out.
Everyone gets a free assignment.